Welcome to another day at the office. I was just enjoying a beautiful day outside. This road leads to something special. We are just about to arrive at the Hertog Jan brewery, one of the most famous breweries in the Netherlands. They even got a guest house / restaurant where you can stop for a bite or a brew. It's a busy day, as y'all can see. People enjoying the sun, I guess. You might remember this piece. Well, in my other video, we went on the other side and I showed you some Gothic statues, but the ferry was out of order. Well, seems like the ferry's in business today. Lucky for us, we can get aboard today. Ain't it a beautiful sunny day right now? Taking a ride right now. Now, I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's the watchtower right there in the middle. Right over there. It's not a high one, but it's a watchtower. We'll check it out another time.